Thanks to this Gambian secret, I lost 7 kilograms in 8 days. The industry is afraid. Would you like to lose weight without having to give up the pleasure of savoring your favorite dishes? It is clear that eating bacon every day is not going to lose weight, but why give up any dish to have to lose weight? The list of foods and drinks that you need to lose weight does not have to be food without taste or bad. Of course not. In the end, like everything in life, slimming is also composed of acquiring certain habits. There are very rich solutions to lose weight and do it with great pleasure. Solutions that can then be assumed as a pure habit and begin to be a part of your life. Within these solutions, widely accepted and practiced are slimming shakes. Vegetable smoothies, very popular all over the world today, are a delight. They are very refreshing and nutritious and can be consumed both before and after physical exercise. Studies have shown that eating a balanced diet, including whole grain cereals, nuts, seeds, vegetables and veggies, is an ideal solution to supplement our body with vitamins, minerals and other nutrients belonging to the group of antioxidants. Here I propose this delicious shake of green pepper to lose weight. Green pepper is a very complete vegetable in terms of vitamin complex. It has a high content of vitamins, but, in addition, the green pepper is composed of water, fiber, potassium, calcium and magnesium. This vegetable also contains folic acid, vitamin C and vitamin E. Its main recommendation of consumption is based on its richness in minerals, vitamins and iron. For its properties and its antioxidant power is usually recommended to combat wrinkles and cellulite. How to consume it? Its flavor is enhanced by a good shake. The combination of green pepper with skim milk is exquisite and attractive, so it will be very easy to motivate other family members to consume this vegetable as well. After passing the vegetable through the mixer and obtaining the smoothie, do not forget to strain it to extract the seeds and improve its texture. That way you will make the total